Hey guys, welcome back to K20 Garage. As you know, it is time for that show coming up around the corner. I got one more thing to put on. It's this on the car. The wings already painted. They haven't given it to me. It's drying. Now, in the meantime, I was adjusting my collection of Hot Wheels and moving stuff around in my space. Because if you are going to the show, August 29, if you never subscribe to my channel, I trade your Hot Wheel for subscription. All those cars are mine. I just make it very easy to I can wash them. Order some of this stuff from Amazon, and I got the Mazdas from the first year Mazda the Hot Wheel have made, all the way down to the last one. Of course, I got my Honda area, CRX, also all that right here, all the way across. So yeah, so today hit like, share, subscribe. We're about to do this. So first, let me get outside where the car is. All right guys, so I put the CRX outside and this for another video. Basically, once in a while I will buy a car, or my boy will buy a car, and we buy them. Like this one got the transmission busted, but the motor is really good. Got 200,000+ miles, but the motor runs really solid and good. So we're taking the motor out, scratching the shell. So Manny had a couple pieces that he needed it, so boom, he just got a tint all the way out. It looks beautiful right now. It's gonna get painted. I want to get a big shout out to the guys that do all my tints on my trucks and everything. These people are the best. He goes SRT Tintin Man. This man has done that car right there. Has done that one. Has done that one. Has done that one. He's probably gonna do that one next. We're probably gonna put a light tint on the CRX because I like my interior. So why I'm taking that apart? Ready? Why? Well, I'll tell you why. This thing has been sitting for 15 years, and I had another one that I can. Hold on guys, sorry about this. Okay, so I had another one like this that I can use. So this one's all scratched up, got a lot of bangs here, there, see, paint coming off. So instead of me gripping it, doing all this crazy shit, what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna take it apart, put a new one in, and call it a day. We'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna put you guys in fast mode. All right, guys, you see the difference? Nice and clean. Look at all the scratches. I'm gonna put you guys here right now. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pass this boot. Now I'm going to turn it around. All right, so she's ready. There we go. Okay. Nice and clean, no damage. All right. All right, let me put you in the car. front of me. I don't know who that is. Without driving this car, my freaking chair looks amazing right now. The only thing I wish I had an AC. That's the only thing that I wish I had, an AC. Ready. I gotta go in there and clean my engine bay again. Oh my goodness. Adjust my throttle. Okay, when I let go, it stays up. This car looks like really quick RPM. This looks good. By October, I should have a couple cars out of my house. I am taking the transmission down. I'm making it 6 speed, and I'm gonna make it fun to drive. Just a cable. Hear that? Goes down to about 1,000. So I gotta make sure that it stays. So whew. Oh, good, looking good, man. Looking good. Still gotta clean all that area right there. Well, guys, this is it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Hope you like all the little stuff that I've done to the car. Maybe I can help you guys set up your goals for your show, for your car. See all this? This is see, after I clean it up, somebody was waxing the car next to me. I don't want to say who. So I gotta clean all this up. I spent a whole day waxing. Look, this is wax. Oh my goodness, all over the. Oh, anyway, hope you guys like the channel, everything I do for you guys. Keep it up. I got more content coming on that car, and that white car. And hopefully, I'll bring a trophy home for all the hard work that I've done. All the hard work that I've done, I hope I can bring a trophy home. Thank you for subscribing and watching. Peace out.